Liris Chica Belmariano may banat sa mga babae na hindi daw trabahong bantayan ang mga babae ang mga partner nilang lalaki. Ito nga naging pahayag niya. Remember ladies, it is not your duty to protect your man from girls trying to flirt with him. It's his duty to distance himself from them and show to everyone that he is already inaccessible and off limits. Naiintindihan nyo? Diyos ko, kung maglolo ko yan, maglolo ko. Kung mahal niya kayo, mahal niya kayo.